What's up, guys? We're gonna play Gumball Tycoon Machine. Oh my god, it's all filled up. Oh my gosh. I had to post on Facebook. Oh my gosh, that's so many. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna go speedrun. Look at that. That's so many. Hope back. Dun 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 back. Now do 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 do. Let's go. Wait, you can actually upgrade your value reader. What should I buy next? I only have a 300. What should I buy? That's Robux. Cost Robux, okay. And it's looking good. I need actually a new one. I'm not gonna VIP because I'm not. My name is not VIP. I wish. So thank you guys for 400 subscribers. Our next goal is 600. So you might want to do that real quick. Like and subscribe. We need 200 subscribers. Yes. I'm doing the hardest one. Every time I hit another subscriber that I goal, I'm gonna add double to it, double 100, and almost a 1K subs, so I can do more content for you guys. Okay. Perfect. I can only got 30 seconds though. Okay, it's full. Speed running. Let's go. That's so many. Oh my gosh, that's so many. Wait, I would actually have an idea. Open it for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna do something real quick. Gum giver, let's go. Sorry. Well, look at that. I can just look. It's just giving me more. Okay, I think my computer's gonna crash after this. Oh my god. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh my gosh. Looks like the one word. I'm gonna do something. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Baby, I was can you say? Wait, there's so many more. Like, well, there's blueberry and okay, I'm gonna go. Go! I actually need 1,000 coins because that will give me a lot of time. My gosh, look at that! It's a whole army. Like a whole army of gumballs. Well, that was the best. That was awesome content, guys. So better like it. Here's gum 100 limit 100. I'm gonna get basketball later. Oh my gosh. Okay, line up, everybody. Let's go. Okay. Okay, first batch. By yourself, elf. What the? So guys, you're better. I don't have a Reddit yet. Even if I'm 10 years, 11 years old, I can no 10 years old if I can do that. So guys, it's almost my birthday, so it's September 28th. I guess that. Yeah, my actual name, my real name is Sebastian Nicole, but no, nobody knows. Nobody knows. You gotta caught me. Caught me. Steam upgrader. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can just give more gum givers. Okay, let's go speed run. Wait, it looks like ketchup and and uh, and I don't know, bruh. And mustard, yeah, mustard. Okay, how many did the red one get? 6. Nice. We can buy more, but I saw that on the store. I wish I had more. Just don't worry, I have more gum givers, so I'm just gonna close the door. Just gonna close the door real quick. How many money is this again? 400. So that means I only got. What the? How did they break out? Okay, fine. Then I'll make more gum. It mixed up with. Gumball's not actually really good. Like when you first butter it, it's kind of tasty. Now when you take the last bite, it actually tastes like sandpaper. $6 per day per gummy. This is what you want. Okay, guys. When I hit 600, my goal is another to 800. So, guys, my goal is 600. You may be confused about that. Close the door. Anyone, close the door. Only one. Why can I go there? I wanna go. Can anyone click me? Oh, current favorite orange. Hey pear, what the? What the? What's the rendering orange? Let's go. Yes. See. No. Chicken nugget. CC, no. I can do the CC no tonight. Cherry Gumball. What's that do? Upgradation. Okay. If you upgrade it, what do I have? British accent. You might expose me from this video right here. How many is it now? Still giving up the same thing. Somebody gives me the same thing. It's literally a scam. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look how many gumballs are going. That's so many. Look at this. Look, watch, guys. Look over there. Okay. My dad's asleep, so don't be quiet, guys. Okay. What the VIP? I told you not to collect a tycoon. What the satisfaction moment now. Okay, guys. So I'm not gonna do a little more than that, but I'm gonna do some more obbies. Let's go. I wish I have speed, but I'm only admin, so you can't do that. You need to be the owner of the game. So you might know my new game is called Pig Race. It's a game where you take pigs. It's actually easy. You can just show your friends. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's actually tricky. I'm doing the hardest one. Okay, this is actually the hardest one. So when you touch the red. Okay, guys, this is getting boring. The easy one is actually hard too. Look at this. Like, bum. Okay, here's back. Okay, I'm just watching people. Is this mine? Nope. Where's my mine? Oh, there it is. What the? There's so many balls stuck in there. Wait, don't. Wait, guys. It's not like that. It's not what it looks like. I mean, gumballs, like gumballs. Yeah, gumballs. I'm not sus, bro. I'm cleaning. Look how many money am I getting. Okay, possessed by Vecna. That's where you are. Da. Okay. Okay, there's so many balls in there, so it actually fills up. Okay, watch guys, watch. I'm gonna fill it up though. Okay guys, so let's wait. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Anyways, guys, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. I will see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. So, oh, nice to meet you. What the cringe, cringe, man. Not cool. Not cool content. That's like iPad kid vibes. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna broke the game. Look at that. I'm just click. Look, watch, guys. Up. I'm gonna fill it up all over there. Okay. I'm gonna fill it all the way to the top. I'm gonna fill it all the way to the top, so it would be faster. This will take an hour. Oh my god, only 2 steps away. Let's go. What the? Where did it go? What the? This is not literally working. They're stuck in traffic, like in work. Okay, almost there. Just get a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna explode this game. Look at the watch. Go. Oh my gosh, it's keep getting along. Look at that. And the other bus stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. So guys, you may wait for another hour. Let's go. Let's go. Now give me an upgrade. So I have a new flavor now. It's called blueberry, guys. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Like and subscribe, turn on the notification button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I have something. The slushies isn't melting because this ice cream is not melting because you subscribe, not